Kick-ass facts, super cool scientific discoveries, some more recent than others. Ba-pew-pew-pew! Okay, so this first one isn't quite a discovery, but go with me on this. A respected Polish scientific institute classified domestic cats as an invasive alien species. The growing scientific consensus is that domestic cats can have a harmful impact on biodiversity given the number of birds and mammals they hunt and kill. The criteria for including cats among alien invasive species are 100% met by a cat, said the scientist that added them to the list. He cited that cats kill about 140 million birds in Poland alone each year. I mean, here's the thing about birds, though. They can fly. So if they're getting caught by cats, I mean, I'm not saying it's a cry for help. I'm just saying they can fly. The scientist was unsurprisingly met with a lot of backlash, as I might be for talking shit about birds. Researchers evaluated the venom from 312 honeybees and bumblebees and found it to be surprisingly effective at destroying certain types of cancer cells, including those in some subtypes of breast cancer. The results are promising, but still preliminary. More research is needed. Scientists built fish tanks on wheels and taught 6 goldfish to drive them around on land. That makes me really happy. They took to their fish-operated vehicles, FOVs, and drove to targets to receive a tasty treat. Goldfish directed the vehicles with their own movements within the tank, swimming in the direction they wanted the FOV to go. After a few days of training, the fish were pretty good drivers. Not only could they reach their targets, they were also able to overcome obstacles, dead ends, and wrong turns. They still can't parallel park, though. An otherwise healthy 27-year-old attended a U.S. urology department to report that he developed flu-like symptoms, including coughing, sneezing, swollen lymph nodes, and an itchy rash on his forearms every time he blew his load. He suffered the reaction since the age of 18 after coming down with epididymitis, a painful swelling of the tubes in the testicles, and tended to avoid the horizontal mambo as a result. He was diagnosed with post-orgasmic illness syndrome, POIS, one of fewer than 60 recorded cases. A crocodile in Costa Rica, a shark in Italy, not the only one, and a Komodo dragon in Tennessee all had virgin births. This rare phenomenon, known as parthenogenesis, is the result of a female's ability to self-fertilize in extreme scenarios. Parthenogenesis has been observed in more than 80 vertebrate species, including sharks, fish, and reptiles. Australian gloomy octopuses, simultaneously the best and saddest name ever, Octopus tetricus, deliberately throw silt and shells at other annoying octopuses. One study found that the acid in the human stomach is more than sufficient to dissolve a razor blade after a couple of hours. Do not try that at home. Polar bear fur is such an effective insulator that it allows very little body heat to escape, meaning that polar bears have no heat signature that an infrared camera can pick up. Scientists are actually analyzing polar bear fur to help create a fabric that is invisible to infrared.